Good morning, people on the internet. I was cleaning up a shelf and took a look at this thing and then started Googling and searching around on the good old internet. And was kind of fascinated by the new links on the new CEN 450s that are black, and came across CEN's Chaos brand of upgrades and thought, yeah, it's probably a good idea to upgrade this baby. But this is what I have so far. It's got the crawlers and customs lift, keeps all the stock geometries. I threw a lipo in there, but also added long inner spring shocks, 100 millimeters, I believe. Also added some rubber tubing so we didn't get so much play in the body mounts. But I think I'm gonna see if I can get me the stock black links and or the CEN upgraded ones. Haven't done anything with the motor yet, still seems to be working good. It's still the original stock servo on there, but CEN also offers fancy diff covers that I think would look pretty nice. But definitely seems to me that the silver links pop out a little bit big. So let's see from this picture too, the how I mounted these wheels. In the back there is the extension, wheel hub extension. Let's see if you can see it better there. To get the width out of this, but definitely think it's time to throw a little more money at this baby. Crawlers and Customs makes wonderful light kit. The 110 rod shop, and it'd be nice to see a bunch of added features of lights to this thing too. This has so much potential. Well, if you like what you see, click like and subscribe, and expect to see more out of this thing soon. You guys keep on monster trucking. Have a nice day.